Hi Tablings, I hope you're doing well today. And before we get into the August calendar, I wanted to give you a little unboxing detour. As you can see, we have new earphones today. I grabbed these Soundcore earphones because I saw the reviews that they're amazing. They have good bass, but also another reason I grabbed this is because they also match very well with my tablet cover, as you can see, plus the whole theme of my tablet and the cover and these earphones. Perfect. Let me know what you think of these. They are so cute and sleek. I love them. Okay, enough about this. Let's get into August calendar. So if you missed my last video, I did a full flip through of this planner. Here's a quick peek though, and now we're going to actually use it. So let's get into it. I'm going to be starting with my August plans, so just popping in everything I've got going on for this month of August. Since I've got a lot of things going on in August, I'll go ahead and fast forward the videos so I don't bore you going one thing after the other. I do like to keep Mondays clear because I do work 9 to 5, so this already filled my Monday enough. A lot of emails, a lot of stuff to do on Monday, so I like to keep it light, and most of the fun happens in the evenings or the weekend, as you can see. Now it's time to make the activities look a little cute, and less to-dos and more, fun stuff. So I would add in some color. And then rearrange, shuffle things around a little bit to look a bit more presentable. And of course, the stickers. I actually designed the stickers in Canva and imported them into my tablet. If you want to see how I do that, let me know in the comments and I will happily show you that. And now I'll wrap it up with my goals and notes for August. I'm keeping it soft but intentional. A lot of move prep, cozy routines, and just, trying to enjoy this crazy ride. And that's my August at glance. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? How do you plan your month ahead? What do you think of the arrangement, the setup, the colors, and everything? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for the next video. I have something exciting coming up. So stay tuned and see you soon. Thank you for watching.